and welcome to Raven Rose. This is my new makeup look that I have kind of based loosely on statues. I'm always drawn to them. I'm drawn to statues and steps. Not the band steps. I mean as in really old steps in castles and places like that have been worn down over time. That's kind of my thing. Oh, they're just so sad and yet beautiful. I'm sliding off. Headpiece really does not want to stay on. I made the actual pattern for myself, but I didn't take into account a big pink wig. So yeah, if you do this, make sure you make room for your wig. So if you'd like to see how I created this look, then please carry on watching and I will see you soon. So I've already primed my eyes and I'm going in with a bright yellow to just really intensify the colour on the inside and pull it out along that top. Please excuse the eyebrow, it will be fixed later on. And then going in with a lovely orange colour. It's quite a subtle orange colour in comparison to some of the ones to come, but I'm deepening that up and again concentrating on the inner lid as well. Blending those together to make sure there's no harsh lines, and then going in with a deeper orange again. I will list all the products I use below, don't worry. So then I'm going in with a really nice vivid pink and again blending that in, and then this gorgeous violet purple. I absolutely love this colour. It matches my eyebrows quite nicely, I think. And I'm going in there with a slightly smaller tool just to get above that crease as well as below. And then I'm mixing the purple and the pink together and just really pushing it in there, smudging it in, and then blending. And I have this fabulous new little brush from Bleach London, and it's so soft, it's lovely. And I've loaded that up with the purple and I'm just reinforcing it before blending it through. So I'm pulling that purple and pink below my eye and then going back in and reinforcing that orange at the top to make sure I've got a really nice sunset looking upper lid area. So I've got this gorgeous blue. This is from the NYX Vivid Brights palette. Most of these colours that I'm using are, and I'm just applying that as an undertone on the outer corner of my eye. It's kind of like a cut crease, but it's not, because it's not that neat. And then going in with a black liner and I'm lining the upper and lower tight lines of my eyes and just below the lash area too, so that I can blend it out with a little bit of black, just the tiniest amount of black powder. And then going in with my glitter glue and I'm popping that all over the lid so that when I put my glitter eyeshadow on, it will be more intense. Because you don't want glitter not to be intense, right? So first on, just look at that colour! It's so pretty! It's from the Urban Decay Moondust palette and I just love it so much. Then going in with a beautiful peachy colour on the inside. And then blending between the two with a beautiful greeny aqua shimmery colour. Once that's set and dried, I'm going in with my liner. I'm not going in too heavy on the inner corner of my eye, but I am pulling it up quite high on the outer corner. And as you can see, I'm just balancing, looking between the two eyes to try and make sure that I get
something kind of similar on both eyes. So trying to make sure I've got a really nice sharp point there. And then in with a couple of coats of mascara on the upper and lower lashes. I believe this one is Life's Camera Lashes from Tarte. And then I'm highlighting on the inner corner with this beautiful peachy gold colour before going in with this gorgeous new illuminating stick I got from my recent shopping trip, adding a little bit more glitter. And this is a lip gloss that I'm applying, but it's so pretty. It's absolutely gorgeous, and it does look like tears more, highlighting my upper brow area. And then popping a little glitter on that inner eye corner as well. Because hey, why not? There wasn't enough glitter in my life. So that illuminating stick that I used, I'm just dabbing it out for a moment, just to blend it into my skin. And this is the new Makeup Revolution concealer. I didn't have my concealer for my under eye, but I bought one for my contour, which is a little too dark, or I use a little too much of it. I dyed it on one side and I tried to even them out so that it didn't look really ghastly. So I'm using my lovely Mega Flakes of gold, and I'm sticking those on just with the lip gloss that's been pushed into my skin. It's still very tacky, so it will hold on to that glitter for me. So a little bit of translucent powder all over the areas that are not glittery and gunky. And then sweeping it off, because statues do have, you know, nice skin. They also, in my head, I'm thinking about like when it rains, they are beautiful and glossy and shiny, and that was kind of the idea I had in my head when I was doing this, a look of when it rains. So there is a hell of a lot of highlighter on there, and I'm just chiseling out my jawline there and my cheek area. You don't see many jowly statues. And then blending it down from my neck as well, to make sure that it's not just one rigid line there. And I wanted another really bright pop of colour, so I've gone with a really vibrant pink, and I am just chucking it on there wherever I feel that I want a dash of pink, which is lots of places. So I'm trying to match my lips to my eyebrows here. It's not something that you do very often. Oh, I'm going to match my lips to my eyebrows, not my handbag or my nail polish, or... It's kind of weird. But hey, it felt right. So there we go. My lovely lipstick is in place, and I'm putting that same blue lip gloss onto my lips. You can never have enough lip gloss, especially when your hair's tied back. So on with my lovely bubblegum pink wig, which I absolutely adore. And then I'm trying to emulate some golden tears using the Mehron mixing powder and mixing liquid. Again, I'm thinking about the rain here. I know there's a song about crying in the rain, but I cannot pick it up in my head right now. So there we go, I'm just encouraging it down. I didn't make the liquid too liquidy because I didn't want it dribbling out of control. So there we go, as my golden tears. And then, whoop, my headdress is on, and I'm using that lip gloss once again in between those gold tiers to give a little bit of a blue hue. Oh, I like that, blue hue to my eyes. There we go. So there's the finished look. I really hope that you like it. I absolutely adored this look. It came out just as I wanted, and I did fix the eyebrow, as you can see. And yeah, that's it. So if you would like to dress up as a statue, this is the place to be. See that lip gloss going to work there. Just mwah. Whoop. Yep.
Thank you so much for watching my video. I really do appreciate you taking the time to spend with me. I'm very ready to take this off. Look. But I do really appreciate you watching. You might need some bigger pins if you want to try this look. Okay, so I'll see you very soon with my next video. Take care. Bye bye.